Hello, hello. I'm just gonna start off with breakfast. You don't need any introductions anymore. I think you know me by now. So, what do we have here? An egg. Two egg. Oh yeah, we're two people, so it's two egg. And I'm frying it in avocado oil. That's my breakfast. And like your day should also start with you wake up and you have breakfast. And if you watch my videos, the first thing you're gonna see is breakfast. So see what I did there. And it's just the order in which I filmed the videos, obviously. But yeah, I just added a bit of how's it called, guacamole spice. It's a spice mix, but I suppose you can get it anywhere. To a bit of avocado and some tomatoes, and that's it. Yeah, it's a good breakfast. I quite like it, and that's all I can think about. It's I can think of. I can only think about avocados. No. Yeah, it's I'm out of ideas what to say about very simple breakfast. Anyway, oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. It looks beautiful. So next one is a pumpkin stew, and without explaining too much, I'm just gonna gently guide you towards the description because the recipe is mostly based on what Nikki Vegan did. So I would suggest watch her video if you want a full recipe. We did change it up a little because we didn't have any white wine, so we used mirin, I believe. And you can add anything you want, like sweet potatoes or corn. We actually made this stew twice already, or 3 times, I can't remember. It's absolutely delicious. And it also looks pretty good. It's true autumn food. And then we had quesadillas for dinner. We tried some vegan cheese because, Conan is lactose intolerant. And I don't take the fat very well, so yeah, we were using plant-based fat, which is a bit nicer to both of us. Also some corn, and that's pretty much it, just corn and tortillas. Yeah, anyway, that was our food for Wednesday, and I hope you also want to watch Thursday. Thanks for watching, bye bye!